Students, in this video will learn how to find SCF of two numbers using Euclid's division lemma, which states that given positive integers a and b such that b is less than a, and when b divides a, the remainder r equal to 0 or r is less than, or we can say that 0 is less than or equal to r and r is less than b. Now let us see. For example, let us take say example 1. Example number 1. Let us take two numbers. Find SCF of say 75 and 80. Find SCF of 75 and 80. Now, how will you solve this one? Solution for this. First, find the number which is smaller of these two. So 75 is smaller. So 75 is less than 80. Now we'll work out some rough here. The rough work. Divide the bigger number by the smaller one. So 75 will divide 80. What we are getting is 75, and the 75, and the remainder is 5. So by using Euclid's division lemma, we can rewrite this one as 80 equal to 75 into 1 plus 5 is nothing but dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now in this method, if we get 0 here, then in that case the number which divides, that is the SA, but here we can see that the remainder is not 0. So in next step, what we are going to do is that we will divide 75 with the remainder 5. So this is our next step. 75 will be divided by 5, and we can see that 15 into 5 is 75, and the remainder is 0. So in this case, the remainder is 0. The divisor 5 is known as, will be the SCF of the two numbers 75 and 80. So now again, let us write 75 using Euclid's division lemma. 75 can be written as 5 into 15 plus 0. Therefore, SCF equal to 5. So this method is known as finding the SCF by Euclid's division lemma. Now let us take one more example. Now let us take example number 2. Example number 2. Find SCF of say two numbers 58 and 62. How will we solve this one? Solution for this. Out of these two numbers 58 and 62, 58 is smaller. 58 is less than 62. Now again we are going to do some rough work. Divide 62 with 58. Quotient we are getting as 1. 58, 1 is 58, and the remainder is 4. So here what we have seen that the remainder is not 0. So again, as told you earlier, we will divide the divisor 58 in the first case with the remainder 4. So, and this process we will go on continuing till we get the remainder as 0. So now let us divide 58 with 4. So 4 1 is 4. The remainder is 1, 18. So 4 4 is 16. And the remainder is 2. Again we can see that the remainder here is not 0. So next step, third step, this is our first step, this second step, and the third one, dividing 4 with 2. So 4 will be divided by 2. 2 into 2, 4, and the remainder is 0. So this is our SCF. So now write this. We'll write this using Euclid's division lemma. So 62 can be written as 62 equal to, from here we have got that 58 into 1. 58 into 1 plus 4 from here. 58 into 1 plus 4. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now next step, we will go for the step number 2, that is 58. 58 can be written as 58 equal to, again, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that is 58 is equal to 4 into 14 plus 2. Now third step, step number 3, 4 we can write as 4 equal to 2 into 2 plus 0. So therefore, because the remainder is 0, so SCF is equal to 2. This is how we find the SCF of two numbers using Euclid's division lemma.